Welcome back, guys, to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be opening some OPC cards 2020 to 2021. And if you're wondering about the monitor in the background, this is a monitor that is old, and this is my dad's when he used to have a computer back in 2004. Yeah. Alright, so let's get right into it. It comes with 10 packs. I know a little bit about hockey, not that much, but not as much as Pokemon, but yeah. There's 8 cards per pack in each of the OPC. So yeah, let's get. First we have Madison Bowey, Dent for Bobo. Ooh, Jeff. This is for the Montreals. Better keep that. Aiden something. Cody something. There's going to be a lot of somethings. I'm going to keep that one in a separate pile. I don't know who that is. Robert Thomas. And Tyson Berry. Wow. Can't believe 3 out of the 8 cards we got all Montreal and Toronto Maple Leafs. Alright, second pack. Come on, Wayne Gretzky or Patrick Roy. If there isn't any cards in here. Those 2. Ryan Murray. Something. I really don't know these names. Oh, Toronto Maple Leafs team checklist. Huh. There's a checklist of all the people. Okay. And speaking of Toronto Maple Leafs, we have Toronto Maple Leafs Austin Matthews. And then we have something. Why is it so hard to pronounce all the other teams' players, but when it comes down to these Toronto Maple Leaf players, it's easier to pronounce, except this one. Cody something. Alright, so let's on to the next pack. Dustin Brown, Jack something, Kevin, Ivander, Logan, Matthew, Demo, and this guy. All right, on to our 4th pack. Flip. Linus? Okay. Brad. What's that? Oh, it's like a little card. Somebody. Alright, gonna keep that in a separate pile. It's a different card. Ooh, this one's a rookie. I have to go through the rest of them after and see if I miss any rookies. This guy, Oscar, and Zach. 5th pack. I never opened up hockey cards in a while. All right. We have a checklist. Brendan, Ducan, Joe something, Philadelphia Flyers team checklist. Kevin. Somebody. And this person. Alright. Next pack. Oh, there's 600 cards in this entire set. Well, I'm never going to finish collecting this set. 600 cards. Maybe if there was 10. Next up, Justin, Colton, Anthony. Another Anthony, but different. Oh, another little card. David. It's different. There's a white and there's a yellow. Huh. I don't know what that means. I have to read the box. Team checklist for this team, Vegas Golden Knights. Zach and David. Next pack, we have, this is our last 4th pack. All right. We have Max, Derek, someone, and Brock, someone, Wayne, Alex. All right. Next pack. This person, Timo, Jan, Eric. Oh, another yellow card. Blake Wheeler. And we have another rookie card, Kelvin. Matt and Jivin. Sorry if I'm butchering most of the names, but yeah. Second last pack. Eric with a K. Okay. Samuel, Brendan, Andreas. This is a league leader. Points, Leon, Ryan, Ramus, and Jasper. Alright, our last pack. We need last pack magic and see if we can get, if there is a Wayne Gretzky or Patrick Roy, get one of those. Alexander again, but a different card. But I think it's the same person. Yeah. Cody. Denny. Colton. Brock. Victor. And Matthew with a... That's not how you spell Matthew, or it's just a different spelling. Alright, that's how much cards we got for the teams that are not Montreal or Toronto Maple Leafs. We got 3 of these little tiny cards. And 2 rookies, as far as I know. I have to check the pile. So yeah, let's see the most. Okay. Oh. Alright, Blaster exclusives. Collect the yellow border parallel of all the new 50 cards OPG. Premier Tall Boys insert. Exclusive. Okay. So the exclusives. Alright, hope you liked the video. Comment down below which one is your favorite card, or if there's a card that's insanely valuable. let me know. And make sure to like the video and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.